Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for expert option. First, understand that TradingView is a powerful platform for market analysis, offering a wide array of indicators and charting capabilities. You'll use it to spot potential trading opportunities. Then, you'll switch to expert option to execute your trades. This method allows you to leverage sophisticated analysis without needing complex integrations, making your trading decisions more informed and precise. To begin, create a free account on TradingView. Once logged in, search for the asset you wish to analyze, like a specific currency pair or stock. You can then customize your chart by choosing different types, such as candlestick or line charts. Experiment with various technical indicators, like the relative strength index or moving averages, to find what best suits your trading style and helps you visualize market movements clearly. Now, let's dive into analysis. Use indicators like the moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, to identify momentum. Draw trend lines to visualize the direction of price movement and mark support and resistance levels where prices tend to reverse. Always look for multiple confirmations from different indicators or chart patterns before considering a trade. This disciplined approach helps reduce false signals and improves your decision-making accuracy. Once your analysis on TradingView is complete and you've identified a high-probability setup, switch over to your expert option platform to execute the trade. Remember to always practice sound risk management, never risking more than 1 or 2% of your account on a single trade. This helps protect your capital over the long term. Remember to check the description below for a link to that insightful book, plus other great deals we've found for you. Happy trading, and may your analysis lead to profitable outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.